Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted guide for smart shopping decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at what might just be the best travel jewelry organizer on the market, the BAGSMART Travel Jewelry Organizer Case. If you're someone who loves traveling in style while keeping your precious accessories neatly arranged and tangle-free, stick around. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to unpack everything you need to know about this sleek, foldable jewelry roll. Let's begin with what sets this organizer apart: its compact and ultra-portable design. When it's closed, it shrinks down to a neat 6.10 by 6.10 inches square, just over an inch thick. That's smaller than many paperback books, making it effortless to tuck into any handbag, carry-on, or backpack. But the magic happens when you unfold it. It expands to a spacious 16.54 by 6.10 inches, offering more than enough room to carry a wide variety of your favorite jewelry pieces without taking up much space. This isn't just about portability. The BAGSMART Travel Jewelry Organizer is brilliantly designed for organization and protection. It comes with 6 well-sized compartments that can hold everything from dainty bracelets to statement necklaces, stackable rings, dangly earrings, and even brooches. What really stands out here is how intentionally each space is crafted. Every section has a purpose. Now, let's talk tangle prevention, a major concern for jewelry lovers on the go. This organizer features padded interiors, Velcro straps, and clever compartments that secure your pieces in place. Necklaces are kept separate with dedicated slots to make sure they don't end up in a knotted mess. There's even a combined ring rod and earring holder, saving space while giving you access to your go-to pairs. Speaking of earrings, there's a specially designed earring board with reinforced snap closures, giving you quick access and keeping up to 12 pairs safely stored and free from scratches or tangles. And for those longer, more delicate earrings, zippered pockets ensure they're protected and tucked away securely. Whether you're going for a weekend getaway or a 2-week international adventure, this bag has a spot for everything, keeping your accessories organized and ready to wear. Let's take a moment to appreciate the materials. The BAGSMART organizer is made with soft-touch polyester fabric that feels luxurious in hand but remains durable enough for travel. Its elegant stitched design gives it a modern flair, while the structured interior lining ensures your jewelry doesn't get crushed or damaged in transit. It strikes a perfect balance between form and function. Ease of use is another huge win here. Once opened, you can view all of your jewelry at a glance. No digging, no unzipping 5 different pockets, everything is laid out beautifully and intuitively. This is especially helpful when you're in a rush to get dressed or want to quickly match an accessory with your outfit. And here's a thoughtful bonus: this organizer also makes a fantastic gift. Whether it's for a frequent flyer, a fashion-forward friend, or someone heading off to college, the BAGSMART Travel Jewelry Organizer is both practical and stylish. If you're looking for a compact, portable, stylish, and smartly designed jewelry organizer, the BAGSMART Travel Jewelry Organizer Case ticks all the boxes. From its space-saving design and ample compartments to its tangle-free functionality and quality craftsmanship, this jewelry roll is a travel essential. It's one of those items you didn't know you needed, until you try it. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next product critique. Let us know in the comments if you've tried the BAGSMART Jewelry Organizer and what your experience was like. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.